Hey, Next Gen Crypto fam, welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the most exciting next-generation crypto projects. Today, I've got something crazy for you. 4 meme coins that analysts say have the potential to go 100 times. Yes, 100 times. These aren't your typical Dogecoin or Shiba Inu picks. These are fresh, high-potential meme coins that could explode in 2025 to 2026. Before we start, remember, this is not financial advice. These coins are super high risk, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. Alright, let's jump straight in. First up is LILPEPE, LILPEPE, a meme coin with a twist. Unlike traditional meme coins, LILPEPE is building a Layer 2 blockchain specifically for meme tokens. This means low fees, anti-sniper bot protection, and a platform for other meme projects to launch. Right now, the presale price is around 2 cents. And analysts say, if the ecosystem gains traction, this coin could see massive growth. Imagine presale to listing gains, plus adoption potential. That's why some people believe in the 100 times potential. The key here is community and ecosystem adoption. If it works, the sky's the limit. Next we have DogWifHat, WF, the adorable dog meme with a hat that's capturing attention on Solana. Currently, it's priced at $0.4292 on CoinMarketCap. Its total supply is under 1 billion, meaning scarcity could play a role if demand grows. The community is small but active, and in a meme bull cycle, coins like WIF can explode if they go viral. Remember, liquidity and whale activity are factors to watch, but the narrative is strong. Now, let's talk about Fartcoin. Fartcoin. Yes, the name is hilarious, but that's part of its charm. It's currently trading at $0.2468 with a circulating supply of 1 billion. Meme coins often rely on absurdity to go viral, and Fartcoin has that in spades. If the meme culture catches on, small coins like this can see enormous percentage gains in short periods. But beware, hype can fade fast, so monitor holders, volume, and social sentiment. Finally, we have Mubarak, a culturally themed meme coin with viral potential. Its narrative is shareable and highly memeable, and analysts think its early-stage growth could lead to huge upside if the community picks it up. While prices are still low, the potential for adoption and virality makes Mubarak a coin to watch closely. The key is building and sustaining a strong meme community around it. So, should you rush to buy all 4? Not so fast. These are moonshot coins, meaning they're high risk and high reward. The smart approach is allocate small amounts, do your research, DYOR, track tokenomics and holder growth, and watch for catalysts like listings or viral social media events. Set clear targets and exit plans. Maybe take partial profits at 10 times, but be ready for 100 times if the hype explodes. All right, Next Gen Crypto fam, that's a wrap. We covered LILPEPE, WIF, Fartcoin, and Mubarak, 4 meme coins that could potentially go 100 times. Remember, this is super speculative, so tread carefully. Which coin do you think has the biggest 100 times potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a Next Gen Crypto update. I'm Next Gen Crypto, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay moon chasing, stay smart, and always DYOR.